Answer in detail. Explain three applications of torque. Application of torque. Gears. Answer. A gear is a circular wheel with teeth around its rim. It helps to change the speed of rotation of a wheel by changing the torque and helps to transmit power. Seesaw. Most of you have played on the seesaw. Since there is a difference in the weight of the person sitting on it, the heavier person lifts the lighter person. When the heavier person comes closer to the pivot point, fulcrum, the distance of the line of action of the force decreases. It causes less amount of torque to act on it. This enables the lighter person to lift the heavier person. Steering wheel. A small steering wheel enables you to maneuver a car easily by transferring torque to the wheels with less effort. State Newton's third law. Explain it with three examples. Question 2 answer. Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. They always act in two different bodies. If a body A applies a force Fa on a body B, then the body B reacts with the force Fb on the body A, which is equal to Fa in magnitude, but opposite in direction. Fb is equal to minus Fa. Examples. When birds fly, they push the air downwards with their wings action and the air pushes the bird to upwards reaction. When the person swims, he pushes the water using the hands backwards action and the water pushes the swimmer in the forward direction reaction. When you fire a bullet, the gun recoils backwards and the bullet is moving forward action and the gun equalizes this forward action by moving backwards reaction. Derive the relation between G and capital G and the small g. Explain how to determine the mass of Earth. Answer. Let us compute the magnitude of this force in two ways. Let m be the mass of the earth and m be the mass of the body. The entire mass of the earth is assumed to be concentrated as its center. The radius of the earth is r 63786400 kilometer approximately. By Newton's law of gravitation, the force acting on the body is given by F is equal to G capital M by R capital square. Equation 1. MRFM Earth object. Relation between G small and G capital. The radius of the body considered is negligible when compared with the Earth's radius. Now the same force can be obtained from Newton's second law of motion. According to this law, the force acting on the body is given by the product of its mass and acceleration called weight. Here, acceleration of the body is under the action of gravity, hence A is equal to G. F is equal to Ma is equal to mg. F is equal to weight is equal to mg. Comparing equations, J is equal to F into T and delta P is equal to F into T. We get mg is equal to capital G capital M small m by capital R square. Equation 3. Equation 2. Acceleration due to gravity. G small is equal to capital G capital M small m by R square. Equation 4. Capital. Mass of the earth M capital. Rearranging the equation 4, the mass of the earth is obtained as follows. Mass of the earth M is equal to G capital R square by capital G. Substituting the known values of G, R capital and G capital, you can calculate the mass of the earth as M is equal to 5.972 into 10 power 24 kg. Problems. Question 1. 8. A cricket ball of mass 0.5 kg strikes a bat normally with a velocity of 30 ms minus 1 and rebounds with a variety of 20 ms minus 1 in the opposite direction. Calculate the impulse of the force exerted by the ball on the bat. Solution. Impulse is equal to change in momentum is equal to mu minus mv. mu plus v. 0.5 30 plus 20 25 ns. A force exerted on a body question 2 of mass 100 kg changes its speed by 0.2 ms minus 1 in each second. Calculate the magnitude of the force. Given mass m is equal to 100 g is equal to 0.1 g and acceleration a is equal to 200 cms minus 2 is equal to 0.2 ms minus 2. Solution. F is equal to ma is equal to 0.1 into 0.2 is equal to 0.02 n.